Hey everyone, so my name is Zai, or Zion, either one works. So this is my 2-week update on tea. I've been taking a low dose, not my choice, hopefully a little higher, of 0.25 milligrams per week subcutaneously in my stomach. I'll give you a sneak peek of my tea bag before I get into the details of what changes have happened to me. But basically what's in here is alcohol prep pads, band-aids. You're gonna need these things when you start tea, guys. Bag of needles and syringes, the ones I inject with. The actual testosterone. And then I have these big needles for drawing the oil into the syringe because the oil is really thick, and the thin needle you inject with, it is impossible to draw with that thing. Don't even try. You're gonna lose a lot of your tea juice. You're gonna lose so much of your boy juice over it. I already did it. I did it once because they gave me the wrong needle prescription. I'm mad. Alright, so the first thing I noticed was bottom growth. I know a lot of people don't like to talk about it, but I will talk about it freely. If you want me to do specific videos on it, let me know, I'll do it. 3 days after I took my first shot, and it's like a half a dose or a low dose basically, and I noticed at 3 days. It wouldn't be particularly noticeable for another person if they've like looked at me and they'd be like, oh, it looks normal, but I could definitely tell the difference. And it also is more sensitive, so I kind of had to like relearn how to work it in a way. It's like some things are intense now. Intense on the dick. I think I got a little bit more sex drive, but I naturally don't have much of one unless I'm with my partner. Then I'll be getting all horny about them, but like not too much, not like all the time. So that hasn't changed much. I also noticed I think I get smellier easier because like I'll take a shower, go to bed, wake up, make breakfast or something, whatever, and my armpits stink, and I was like, I didn't even do anything. There's a few things that I noticed that I'm not sure if it's because of tea, but I'll mention those too. Firstly, it seems like I can run faster and longer periods of time at a decent speed, like 5 to 6.5 miles per hour. I can run for a longer period of time than I ever could in my entire life, and I can also run a higher speed in general than I ever been able to. I think the being able to run longer in general is probably semi-related to tea, because it just came out of nowhere after like my 2 weeks on tea, or like 1.5 weeks, and then I just started running, and I was like, how am I running this long? Because I've always struggled with running. My body's not built for running. Another thing I noticed was like my acne marks, not all of them, but like some of them rapidly went away because like my body heals really slow for some reason. But I'll have like a mark for a really long time, like whatever, it's a body acne or if it's a face, whatever it is, it'll be like not a pimple anymore, but it'll just be a mark for a really long time. And then after like 1.5 weeks, it kind of like a lot of them went away, like they healed. Not saying it's getting rid of acne, but maybe it's just like healing, helping me heal, I don't know. Another thing is my muscle mass. It's not directly from tea. You know how like you'll start tea, you'll be on it for months and you won't be working out, but you'll get more muscle. That's not me yet. I've only taken 2 shots, but I have been working out since a little bit before I started tea, so it might be, I could be wrong, I don't exactly know, but it could be making my muscles grow a little faster than they normally would. I can't particularly tell because I am working out a significant amount compared to me when I used to just not work out. But my arm, if I flex it and I grab it, I can barely get my fingers around it like this. And normally it would be like comfortably around the edges of my arm. But yeah. So those are the main things I noticed. If you guys like these videos, you want more updates, you have a specific video you want me to do about this topic, that, or that, say it in the comments. If you like the video, want me to do more, say it in the comments. I'm making videos for y'all to watch, and if nobody likes them or nobody watches them, what's the point of making them? And I'd love to make them, so I'd love that. I would love for you to love the videos. But anyways, peace out guys. Thank you for watching.